This is the Koji Slushie maker. It's basically a cup where when you put liquid inside and you stir it and put it in the freezer, you get slushie. Let's open it. Inside the box, we have the cup, the instruction manual, which is crushed, and a spoon to stir the things. The spoon has these words printed on it, and it's basically more instructions. But as a person that doesn't like to follow instructions, this is basically useless for me. Let's open up the cup. This cup nicely separates into two different cups. I'm pretty sure you can use the yellow cup as a regular drinking cup, which is interesting. Now let's take a look at the slushie cup. When I shake it, I could hear liquid inside. I'm pretty sure the liquid is used for the freezing of the slushie, and that's basically how the entire contraption works. Oh, and by the way, those words are not printed. It's a sticker. I look like an idiot now. Now, since this channel is under budget, so I'll just use regular water. Time to stir it up. Now it's time to freeze it. Now, after waiting for 6 years and 9 months, I finally remembered that I had a slushie cup inside the freezer. So it's time to take it out. It's time to stir it up again. And there you have it. This is the Koji Slushie cup maker. Since this channel is under budget, like what I said just now, I can't show you the full review. So thank you for watching this video, and just do whatever you want at the end screen. Bye bye.